Hello, Lee Cole here. Hope you're having a great day. Before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to my channel. There's tons of information on this channel, how-to information, totally for free, plus great tips about new products that are coming out, and that's what this video right here is all about. This is a video editor. It's called Create. It caught my eye. I'm going to show you why it caught my eye. I'm currently on the sales page. After this brief introduction, this video that you're looking at right here is going to transition into a demonstration video that was actually made with Create. So I want you to see how cool it is. But I'll show you what caught my eye with this. Number one is the price. It's massively cheaper than Camtasia, which is something that we've used in our business for years. It's also really, really easy to use. It's got everything you need without a lot of stuff you don't need. But I want to show you something right here. You can easily make really cool videos. Make videos for your own marketing and with a commercial license, which you can get for very, very inexpensively. Okay. With a commercial license, you can also use this to create videos to sell to your clients and customers. One thing that really, really caught my eye, though, because I do a lot of social media marketing, is connect with your audience over Facebook and Instagram. You know, those videos for Facebook and Instagram, they have different ratios than YouTube videos, and this will create those very, very easily without you having to mess around with, with a bunch of stuff as you have to do with Camtasia. Another thing that I loved that I do a lot of video marketing. I mean, you're probably looking at this on YouTube. I do a lot of video marketing, and I really, really, really loved this particular part of this software. It creates really nice end cards right here. So an end card, when you get to the end of a video, an end card shows up and it looks like this. Okay, so you click here, you go to the previous video, click there, go to the next video. It's a way of keeping people engaged and looking at your videos. If you're into YouTube SEO, that is an extremely important metric. So I love the fact that you can create these really cool end cards with this thing. And yeah, I mean those were the main things that caught my attention. Super easy to use. Can make square videos for Facebook and Instagram, and especially the end card thing. Export. I mean, it's got everything that it should have. It does high definition and all that stuff. I'll let you read the sales letter. If you're looking at this on my bonus page, then there's a link to this sales letter, and if you're looking at this on YouTube, then there'll be a link in the description box that will go to my bonus page, and from there you can go to the sales letter. And the next thing you're going to see, we're going to do a little transition, and you're going to see a demonstration video that was made with Create, so you can see the quality of this. Again, my name's Lee Cole. Thank you so much for watching this. Talk to you very, very soon.
With Create, making professional videos has never been easier. Whether you need a promotional video or an entire video training course, Create is the perfect tool for entrepreneurs and creators, giving you the flexibility to simply create. With our intuitive drag and drop interface, you can quickly and easily import media, add text, enhance your videos with animated emojis, text presets, and much more. Record your screen, webcam, and audio to make pixel-perfect training content, client pitches, demos, and review videos. To make edits, drag and drop your media onto our full-feature timeline editor. You can make cuts, resize, and position your content, and preview your video in real time. Effortlessly change the resolution of your video to fit social, mobile, and other formats. You can also quickly position, align, and scale your content to fit the canvas with just a click. Once you're ready, publish your video in your preferred resolution, even up to 4K. Creating high-quality videos for your business has never been easier. So, what are you waiting for? Make videos the smarter way at vidello.com/create.